In this video, I am going to show you how we can enable network mapping in Windows Server 2008. So basically, if you want to see how your network and devices are connected to each other, you can go to Network and Sharing Center and see the full map. So if you click the see full map, by default network mapping is disabled on domain networks. So we can use group policy to enable network mapping, and then we can see how our devices, our computers, our hosts are connected to each other. So my network is a private network. As you can see, it is an internal network and only two machines are connected. One is Windows Server and one is Windows 7. So we'll see both. And then now go to the group policy management and right click default domain policy and click on edit. Here you will find the computer configuration. Double click it, double click policies, double click administrative templates, and double click network. Here you will find a link layered topology discovery. And here we will have to enable the two policies, turn on mapper input output and turn on responder driver. So double click it and click on enable and click here allow operation while in domain. Similarly, on the second policy, do the same. Here you can view the description, and this policy can be set on Windows Vista and onwards. So now we will have to update the policy on Windows Server. Using the gp update command. Now go to control panel and network and sharing center, and you can see the full map. So these are the two machines and is connected via a hub known as internal network. If you have a larger network, you can see all the devices. Similarly, on the Windows 7 machine, you can see it. So first of all, update the policy. Otherwise, it will take 90 minutes to reflect the changes. Once the policy is updated, you will see the changes. So click on network and sharing center and see full map. Same devices you can see there. So in this way, we can enable network mapping in Windows Server 2008. Thanks.